Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. So one of the first mods that I did to this W205 C300 was install a wireless charger. It's already been a few months and the charger works perfect. And if you guys remember the install, it was a little involved because I did have to remove the center console to be able to connect the wires for the wireless charger. However, there's a brand new product out in the market from DMP Car Design that I think you guys might like. So what I'm gonna be installing today is the premium version of the wireless charger for this car. And I wanna thank DMP Car Design for sponsoring this video and providing with the product. And if you want more information on the product, I'll leave a link in the description below. So this new wireless charger is actually pretty cool. It's one entire unit and it has a cooling vent for the wireless charging pad. It has an on and off power button, and it also has 2 USB ports. But what's really cool about this wireless charger is the install takes like 2 seconds to do. Let me show you. The first step is to remove the cup holders. Now I can remove the coin tray. Now I can take the plug and plug it in the cigarette lighter hole and then slide the whole entire unit in place. To use the wireless charging pad, all I need to do is press the on button and put my phone right into the wireless charging pad. Give it a few seconds and it'll charge right up. And if I want, I can also use the USB ports to charge my phone. One thing I realized about the wireless charger is if I have it on, when I go to shut off my car, it automatically shuts off. And when I go to turn on my car, it'll turn right back on. However, if I have it off, when I shut off the car, of course it's off, but when I go to turn on the car, it will remain off until I turn it on. So regardless, it's always going to turn off with the car, but when I turn the car on, it's going to be up to me if I want it on automatically or I want to manually turn it on. So this premium wireless charger is awesome. The previous version that I had on my car, it's still a great product. It's just a lot more affordable. And then this newer one, it costs a little more, but the install is a lot easier and it comes with a lot more features. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe and I will see you next time.